Hey everyone, and welcome to World Heritage Journey, where today we're at the Verla Groundwood and Board Mill in southern Finland. So the mill here dates from the late 19th century, and it was set up to process timber from Finland's plentiful forests into first pulp and then into cardboard sheets. It was when Finland was part of the Russian Empire and they were attempting to bring the Industrial Revolution to Finland, which was still mostly an agrarian society at the time. Now the mill operated right through until the 1960s, and when it was closed down, it was left in an almost pristine state of preservation. Let's have a look around. So this large brick building that you can see behind me is actually the third mill to have been constructed on the site. The first two were naturally built of wood and sadly burned down because the process of drying the sheets of cardboard requires a lot of heat, and having massive ovens inside a wooden building is a recipe for disaster, which of course happened twice in 20 years. And so they rebuilt it in brick in this beautiful neo-Gothic style, and gradually the other buildings on the site were transformed into a similar style. But it's quite compact here as well. The mill is a reasonable size. It had about 100 workers at its peak, including about 40 women. But the rest of the buildings, there's not that many. There's a few houses for workers and of course a large building for the owner. But otherwise, there's actually not a whole lot here. And these little compact industrial settlements were quite common through the 19th and early 20th century all across Scandinavia. This one is on the World Heritage list because it's exceptionally well preserved. We've just finished our tour inside the mill, and it was really interesting showing you every step of the process, from the logs going in to the cardboard sheets coming out, where they would be shipped off to Russia, to America and to Europe as well for things like boxes and covers for books. But unfortunately I couldn't film inside, so I can't show you exactly what it was like. But one thing I did really enjoy was the documentary film from the last days of the factory, showing you everything in operation, and then to watch that and then walk around the exact same spots, seeing the same machines, that was really cool. But that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm Joel on the road, and I'll see you at the next World Heritage Site.